A very warm welcome to you all. Here I am Ms. Gunjan Taneja, English teacher in Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lailpur branch. Today we are going to learn about singular and plural nouns. This is lesson 6 of your book with the name Numbers. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying the learning with us. Noun. Nouns can be singular or plural. When you are talking about one person, animal, place, or thing, we use singular nouns. For example, a woman, an owl, a ship, a train, a flower. So, what are singular nouns? Singular nouns are when we are talking about one person, place, animal, or thing. These are also singular nouns. An airplane, a bicycle, a boy, a bus, a comb. We use a or an before singular noun. Use an before words beginning with vowels a, e, I, o, u. We use a or an, and as you all know that, where do we use an? We use an before vowels. An X, an egg, an envelope, an ice cream, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella, an uncle. And we use a before words beginning with the letter other than vowels. With consonants, we use a basket, a car, a hill, a house, a jar, a rainbow, a monster, a pillow, a watch, a zoo. When you are talking about two or more people, animals, places, or things, we use plural nouns. Most nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. And when we talk about more than two people, animals, places, or things, then it comes under the category of plural nouns bat, bats, star, stars, fan, fans, mug, mugs, cap, caps. And we make singular noun into plural by just adding s, but it is possible in only few cases. Bird, birds, broom, brooms, camel, camels, desk, desks, doll, dolls, egg, eggs, flower, flowers, fox, fox, game, games, lamp, lamps, nest, nest, pen, pens, photo, photos, shirt, shirts. Some plural nouns end in es. We add es to some plural nouns to make them plural, but when do we add es? We end es only if the singular noun ends with the following words ch, sh, s, ss, x, and even o. If the singular noun ends with any of these sounds or words, then we add es to make it plural. Bus, buses, brush, brushes, watch, watches, glass, glasses, fox, foxes. Beach, beaches, branch, branches, box, boxes, church, churches, dish, dishes, dress, dresses, gas, gases, sandwich, sandwiches, witch, witches. Some plural nouns end in ies, and we end some plural nouns by ies if any words end with y. Then we, to make it plural, we add ies. Butterfly, butterflies. Lily, lilies. Canary, candies. Candy, candies. Baby, babies. Cherry, cherries. Dairy, dairies. Dictionary, dictionaries. Fairy, fairies. Family, families. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Library, libraries. Puppy, puppies. Story, stories. Strawberry, strawberries. So as you have seen, the singular noun ends with y. So to in order to make it plural, we have used ies. We have just removed y, and in place of it, we have added ies. If there is a vowel before the y, we add s. Just now I told you a rule. If a word ends with y, we add ies to make it plural. But there is one more rule that if a word ends with y and before y there is a vowel a, e, I, o, u. If there is any vowel a, e, I, o, u, then we add s. Key, keys. Tray, trays. turkey, turkeys. Chimney, chimneys. Cow, cowboy, cowboys. Day, days. Donkey, donkeys. Jersey, jerseys. Kidney, kidneys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Trolley, trolleys. Valley, valleys. So you have seen, if a noun ends in F, you often change F to V and add ES. If any words end with F or FE, we just add VES. Calf, calves. Elf, elves. Half, halves. Leaf, leaves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Some nouns that end in F just needs S to plural form. Chef, chefs. Chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Roof, roofs. Shift, shifts. Some plural nouns don't follow the rule S. They don't end in S, ES, IES or VES. Instead, the word changes form. There are few words which just change the form, like child, children, men, men, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, woman, women, mouse, mice, foot, fit, goose, geese. Some plural nouns are same as singular. Few plural nouns are same as singular. We use same, like fish, sheep, reindeer. So these are same. These are both used in both singular as well as plural form. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any query, you can contact me. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.